What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have, what do we have, Chris?
Boxycharm. Boxyluxe.
Yes.
I apologize.
This time the box is like really big.
I think it's always that big.
I don't know.
We don't keep up.
We don't keep up. We don't keep the boxes. But Boxyluxe is the bigger version. It comes out every 4 times a year. 3 months?
I was going to say 3 months, but I don't know.
Yeah, every 3 months, 4 times a year. And it is more money to get that. It's, I want to say like 49 bucks.
Yeah, I think it's 50 bucks.
Yeah, $50. But you get more items with it, obviously. So, we're going to open her up. And as always, we're going to play our game, see if Chris can get some prizes. And what's going on. So, the theme for this month's Boxycharm is whimsy.
Whimsy?
Whimsy.
Okay.
Whimsy. Boxyluxe whimsy. And I have card number 23, heart. Heart.
Heart.
Heart. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
We'll go ahead and go with this one because it's already kind of open. But this is the Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner. So this is it right here.
And this with the controversy early.
I know, right?
Boxyluxe.
And I don't know, a lot of people are talking about this, how it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like in the shape of a dagger.
Ah.
Her liner is. But here you go. And I'll do a little test swatcheroo for you guys.
Okay, okay. This is Trooper Black.
Oh yes, Trooper Black. Speaking of black, I dyed my hair.
The lid closes weird. Did you see that? Open and close it. It feels like it's pushing against it, like it doesn't want you to close it. Do it.
I have another eyeliner that's like that.
That's odd. All right, we're gonna move along.
Oh,
I'm gonna call it.
Guess your price.
$18.
Close. It's 20.
Ah.
Here you go, right
Close.
here. That's
Let me see.
Trooper Black.
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 Sure.
Although I expected it to be a little bit darker. Oh, here we go now.
I expected it to be a little bit more troopier.
Maybe it just needed a little bit of workup. Troopier?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Next one, Too Faced.
Like write me a speeding ticket or something. Get on to me about 1 to 10.
The next thing we have is by Too Faced. It's the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Suck It.
Ah.
So,
who is this?
Too Faced.
Too Faced. All right.
So this is the shade right here.
Ookie dookie.
Too Faced Liquid Lipstick Matte, which I love matte liquid lipsticks. That honestly is like my favorite.
It really is, y'all.
It really is. I love matte lips, so.
24 bucks.
21.
Okay.
Shot a little high. Shot a little high.
I'm just super excited about Too Faced.
But yes, shade Suck It.
It's like a,
What color would you describe that? Like a brown, pink
like
brown?
dead pink.
Dead pink.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I like it. It's perfect, like winter, fall color.
Let me see. It is nice. It looks a lot nicer on the hand
than dead
the
pink.
Bottle. I'm still sticking with dead pink.
Okay, then. The next item we have is the... I don't know what that is. In Beauty. The N threw me off. Look at this N. In Beauty Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist.
Okay, so it's a setting spray?
Yes.
But not
setting
aerosol.
Spray. No, it is not.
So like an environmental thing?
Let's see. It's an energizing face mist. It's the pick-me-up you need to get through your day and night.
Well, we're about to find out right now.
Bi-phase formula.
Biphase, man.
It says instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. So you gotta shake it.
I'll shake it. I'll shake the poop out of this.
It says it helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dullness, naturally colored and scented with energizing or aromatic from plants. No, it shouldn't be sticky. Look, it made your head shiny.
Thank you. That's what I was going for. It kind of smells like cleaner. And it's kind of stinging. Power up. Dual phase. Maybe that's how it gets you power up.
It wakes you up.
It hurts.
It says energizing.
No, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
It says it filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion.
Well, it's about to get rid of my entire face then. It gets rid of stress and tired.
If you're stressed and tired, this is what you need. Oh my God, you just added more?
Why not? It's like an energy drink that you spray on your face. That's how they're selling it. That's how I'm taking it.
All right.
All right.
How much? For the N Beauty.
I'm gonna say $14. I don't know the company. I mean, it's cool.
Made in USA, cruelty free.
Everything's
and vegan.
Free and vegan. Nobody's eating this.
Has
stuff.
aloe, witch hazel, electrolytes.
All right, are you gonna tell me?
$32.
$32.
Yeah.
Who makes it? The
N
company
Beauty.
name is N Beauty.
Yeah, N Beauty.
And this is
I haven't heard from them like they're talking to me. I haven't heard of them, but
when you shake it, it changes kind of sparkly in it. It's kind of different.
Interesting.
It's kind of different.
Well, it did. Are you gonna spray it in my
I
hair?
forgot you can see me in the camera. I was gonna spray you.
You were gonna spray me.
Like a surprise spray.
Ah, okay.
It'd be in jest.
All right, we're moving on now. So, we got Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. Sensational Foaming Sour Gel. Organic rice milk and cherry blossom.
Can I spray this on my face?
No, don't do that.
What is
But,
it? What kind of
so
milk
it's
is
a foaming
rice milk.
shower gel. Gosh.
I don't understand. So you wash yourself with this or what?
Yeah, you wash yourself with this.
It smells.
Foaming shower gel.
Smells nice. I'm gonna wash myself with this.
Scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk.
Very cool. $29.
$9.50.
I'm just.
This is like, but like, I don't know. Like, this is so like nice.
It smells nice.
Not saying that this isn't nice.
That's kind of what you just said, but it does smell nice.
But I'm just saying, like, it's heavy packaging. Like, I'm not expecting that for $9.50.
Maybe this, so expensive because you just spray it on your face. It's like drinking coffee.
It could be that. I mean, I haven't energized my face yet, so who knows?
I don't know.
Let's go on.
I'm not doing well. I know that.
We also got the Cosmetics facial roller.
I read this as Cosmetics. Not even kidding.
Cosmetics.
Cosmetics.
And it is the facial roller.
And then look at it. No wonder
So
I read
this
it as
is
Cosmetics. Look at this thing. This thing is hefty.
Yeah, it's. You know who uses those? Tati Westbrook.
Tati.
For her face.
Oh, it's moving on its own. Was it moving? Oh, it just
spins.
It spins. I was like, oh my god.
So listen, you have to use it, but when you use it, you have to roll up, and it really gets like everything going.
What is it supposed to get going?
It says, roll the unique hexagonal roller all over the skin to leave it feeling energized and enhanced.
All this energy that I'm putting on my face.
Germanium stone. The beauty roller is encrusted with 24 massaging stones containing germanium powder. Tighten and energize your skin.
I don't get it.
The connecting bar connects the roller and handle. So, on here, it says it's an innovative beauty tool used to improve visibility of fine lines, enhance your skin texture, and uplift tired skin. So you just roll it.
It's like the
like
tarot
before,
cards of makeup. It's fake.
No, it's not.
It's fake.
Tati uses this, and she has
It doesn't
great
mean
skin.
it's real. It means she's getting a check.
No, she doesn't use this brand though. But she uses a tool like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wake my face up.
It's dumb.
It's not dumb. I'm gonna use it before in the mornings.
Yeah. So you're not gonna go get your coffee anymore?
No, I'm still gonna go get my coffee.
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to do it on your
It's
nose.
dumb,
That kind of
but
hurts.
it's heavy and it's got Germanic stones or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say
I mean,
that's like
do
40,
my neck.
That's $42 right there.
$69.
That's ridiculous, and it doesn't do anything.
Yes, it does. It helps with your fine lines.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it does not.
It tightens your skin.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It does none of the above.
Cosmetics, clean, clinical, luxurious.
Don't buy that. You're gonna aggravate whoever you live with.
No, you're not. You're not. I promise.
Ugh.
The next thing we have is by Fresh, and it's the Soy Face Cleanser. It's for all skin types. And it's obviously used to clean your face. So this is it right here. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's for all skin types.
Yeah, soy.
Rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes.
Yeah.
Nettoyant visage à jojo.
What? Are you like reading in another
French.
language now?
It's French, I believe. Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
$15. What is it?
48.
$48?
Yeah,
It's a
fresh.
face cleaner. I don't
It's
care what it is.
the brand
$48?
Fresh. Yes.
This video's giving me indigestion.
No, it's not. You give yourself indigestion.
It's that pizza. It's that pizza food.
All right, the next thing we got is by Ciate. And we got the confetti highlighter.
It's exciting.
It is exciting. So, let me unbox this. So, this is it, right? Oh, you can see the camera.
What?
They can see the camera.
Hashtag iPhone.
But this is what it looks like right here. So, it looks like little things of confetti.
Oh, okay. And it's a highlighter, you say?
Yes,
And
let's
who
swatch
makes
it. Ciate.
Ciate. I'm not familiar.
I've had a couple of things from them. But that is it.
$32. $28.
Chris,
$28.
you're going with 28?
$32.
$32! You're right on the money!
I can read body language.
I know you can.
It's part of my thing.
Yeah. All right, moving on. The next thing we have, which I'm super excited about, is the Saturday Skin. And it's the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream.
Okay. Water cream, eh?
Yes. So it's the Anti-Aging Glacier Water Cream. And this is it right here. It's by Saturday Skin. And then you pull it. Ooh. I would just drop it
Very
everywhere.
goopy.
But it's kind of reminds me of that.
Is it nice?
Yes, the Neutrogena kind of water moisturizer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Like it's a water cream.
Ah, yeah. It's nice.
Yeah.
For your face, eh?
Yeah.
You put it on my head after I shave it. After I've energized it with In Beauty.
Yes, with In Beauty. So this is by Saturday Skin. Glacier Water Cream.
I'm going to say $47.
$39.
Right.
$39. All right, we've got one more product. One more.
One must.
And then we are done. So we have right here the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette. So all of them by Storybook Cosmetics, it looks like a little bug. Isn't that cool?
I think so, yeah. Sorry, I thought you were asking them.
And then you open it up. And it comes with a mirror. But it looks like one of those little like Storybooks.
Storybooks.
Yeah.
Very cool. $29.
$29 for the Storybook Cosmetics, eh? Think of the packaging.
I'm gonna say $29, bruh.
$29.
Yeah, whatever. 39.
55. What do you have to say?
I don't have to say a thing.
$55 for the Storybook Cosmetics palette.
Great.
But it's a gorgeous palette.
It is a nice palette.
And I like the
what company makes it?
Storybook Cosmetics. All their palettes come like this. They look like little books, which is really neat.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
So, Christopher.
Yeah.
What do you think of this month's Boxycharm?
Boxyluxe.
Sorry, Boxyluxe.
Not impressed.
What do you mean not impressed?
I think a lot of unnecessary expensive stuff.
Like what?
Literally what you're using right now. That.
Bro, Tati Westbrook literally has a purple one just like this.
I don't care. I don't care.
Feels so good.
I don't care.
Everybody needs this.
No one needs that.
Everybody needs this.
This.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
And this.
Yes.
Are the only things worth a darn.
What?
Yeah, the storybook thing maybe, but not for $55. Definitely not that purple monstrosity you keep rubbing on your face.
What about?
And that is absolutely ridiculous. Nah.
You don't like the highlighter? It's really pretty.
Not a fan.
Really pretty. All right. Well, that completes this video. If you guys enjoy these Boxycharm unboxings with me and Chris, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. We hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Or
Merry Christmas.
Any holiday you celebrate.
Oh, God.
What? I love to celebrate all the holidays. Anytime I can celebrate something and eat some cake, I'm good. But that is it, y'all. So be sure and like this video. Hit
Said that already.
Well, I just want to say it again. Hit the subscribe button and also that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
I don't have a chance to say anything.
Okay, what are you going to say this time?
It's getting cold out there. Bundle up. Stay warm.
Stay warm.
So you don't get the sniffles like me.
That was very nice.
Thanks. I'm a very caring person.
He's very caring.
Gruff exterior. Caring heart.
Nice. Also, here's a little plug. We're going to be uploading another video of Chris's men gifts.
Maybe.
So, yes, we are. So, if you have a man in your life or somebody who enjoys these things, here are some last minute gift ideas. They'll be coming up soon. Bye, y'all.
Goodbye.